Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix phone heating while charging. The first thing that I need to tell you is that it's normal if you are charging your device using the fast charging. So the first thing that you should check is to open settings, here scroll down to the battery, and now scroll down. If you see some abnormal application and abnormal usage for the battery in some application, scroll down, power saving settings, scroll all the way down, up battery management, search for this application, let it be for example collectible, match them all, and tap restrict background activity and OK. You won't receive notifications and your application just won't work in the background, but your battery will be safe. Apart from that, you need to just use the original charger and the cable. It's because when you use some replacements, for example from China or from AliExpress or some Alibaba or any other things, it's only the battery protection that it heats up while charging. Do not explode in your bare hands. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to avoid using your phone while charging, for example gaming. It's there especially for the battery and I would not recommend to do so. Remove the case to improve the heat dissipation as well as the screen protector. And as a last resort, charge in a cool ventilated area. And if you still do have your phone heating up, contact device support. Goodbye!